Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maram, your girl, with another skincare video. I am back here like I never left. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Today I want to talk about Vaseline, and Vaseline is all about petroleum gel. Yes. So today I want to make you guys to understand that Vaseline is not just there to make your skin dark, or Vaseline cannot moisturize your body, but today I'm going to tell you the useful of Vaseline on your skin. And get ready to know the tips I'm going to be saying here and what else can you use Vaseline for. Vaseline easily removes makeup. That's number one. It removes makeup very easily. For instance, today you applied your makeup since in the morning and then you came back to the house and you are struggling by washing your face off. You can just apply Vaseline and you will see that when you apply the wiper on it, it's gonna come out easily. So Vaseline can remove makeup very fast, and Vaseline can also protect sensitive skin. Oh yes, it's gonna protect sensitive skin. Example, today if you have any type of lotion you are using and you're not really sure of that lotion, probably you just a body lotion today and you are not really sure about the lotion, whether it's gonna be good or it's not gonna be good. It's something that you can use, or you don't know whether if you use it, it will give you some rashes or some complication. So you can apply Vaseline first before applying that lotion. So it's there to protect your sensitive skin and can even be used to help small cuts and then bruise heal. Exactly. When you have a bruise and you feel like you are feeling pain, then you can apply the Vaseline on it and you will see that it will heal very fast. Or sometimes when you are in the kitchen and then you are caught by the kitchen utensils, you can definitely apply Vaseline. In the next 5 seconds you're gonna feel like, wow, this thing is magic. So definitely Vaseline hacks are too much. It's not just for that. You can also use Vaseline to shine your shoes. For instance, today you are going out and you're rushing somewhere and your shoes look so dirty and dusty. What can you do? It's just to apply the Vaseline on it. You see it shining. Who and who is doing this? You know what I'm talking about. You guys are doing it and I'm doing it as well. I have one of my black shoe. Whenever I see that this black shoe is not really shining as before, like when I bought it, I just apply Vaseline on it. I don't care. I just take a rag, apply the Vaseline on it, and then wipe it out, and it looks shining and then new. Okay guys, while it doesn't moisturize your skin by itself, definitely chances are that trying Vaseline to lock in moisture is what a shot for you. Yes guys, Vaseline doesn't moisturize your body. It doesn't moisturize it, because so many people will be there and say that Vaseline doesn't moisturize my body. It's for the dry skin, and Vaseline is really good for people, you know, that they have flaky skin. So definitely it's also good for them. And today I'm just gonna add the second ingredient I'm gonna use on this video. Today is gonna be the egg yolk, and the egg yolk, we all know that is a combination of what? Fats and water. So definitely the egg yolk is made of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft. Oh my god, my face is looking so soft. You won't wonder about your face or how people are gonna look at you or so on. If you have a flaky skin or a dry skin, it's definitely gonna dehydrate it because of the water. So we are gonna use just the yolk, not the white egg. Yes, we're gonna use the yolk. And then the nutrients in the egg yolk is there to nourish and to moisturize your dull skin. So guys, I know I am just in bed right now, but I just feel like I want to do a video because since yesterday I didn't upload any video. So definitely this was all the things I have to tell you guys about this remedy. I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna use the petroleum gel and then the egg yolk. So watch me out to see how I'm gonna do it so that you can try it out. It's gonna work for you. Oh yes, it's gonna work for you. It's gonna work for you. Okay guys, say bye bye to flaky skin or dry skin, because this one I'm telling you is there for that, and definitely it's gonna make your skin glow like magic. Trust me, try it and you will come back to thank me later. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using the yolk. Remember, I told you the benefit of egg yolk. It's gonna help you to nourish your skin. I've scooped out some Vaseline. Are you seeing this? Okay, so I'm gonna mix. So greasy. Then you apply this on your face for some minutes. Allow it to dry. After drying, then you peel it out from your face because it's gonna be a face mask. Then when you are done, you go down there and wash your face clean, thoroughly, and come back and let me know what is the result. Right now I'm super tired, that's why I couldn't apply it on my face because I'm at the back doing a voiceover. So just try it for me and let me know your results. And thank you for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you guys, and I love you guys so much, and see you guys in another video. Bye.